play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So I just wanted to show y'all my anniversary nails, baby. I ain't got my nails done in a long time, but that's not why y'all are here. I know why y'all are here, so let's get into that. So welcome to another Install the Wig with me, and this is going to be a 5-minute video. Y'all know how I do. So I got this unit from Temu. This unit was $19, and she is a 26-inch blonde. Yep. We're doing blind. I mean, clearly you can see that in the thumbnail. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys all the little details this unit has.
Straight up.
Usher this nigga into a clinic. My flow still sick, I ain't talking the pandemic. I write my own lyrics, a lot of these bitches gimmicks. They study Nicki style, now all of them want mimic. Talking about snitches when it's snitches and you can't. Never stand alone, you always itching for a stand. Me, I'm still money, wrists light up like a lamp. They gon' have to send their best fighter for the champ. Rags, I got them. Mary, I'm poppin'. They keep